So you enter this space here to be greeted and then see a bed. Yes, that is who you think it is, Miss Theresa May. Then at last the prince came to the golden chamber where the princess lay. She was so lovely that he was bent over and kissed her. Immediately the spell was broken and the princess opened her eyes, wondering in all the place. Everyone began to wake up. And then you look, and it's all politicians. And plastic all entwined in the actual twigs. This is called Invitation into a Fairy Tale. This piece is another one you can see in Margate, and it is in the Pie Factory. So have a look and follow the artist, and also follow and like and subscribe with me.